Hello and welcome once again to Danicom channel. This is another tutorial on Excel or Microsoft Excel that will guide you on how to do an expiry alert for your product or your shop. So basically, if you are managing your product with Microsoft Excel, I'm going to teach you how to do an expiry alert from beginning to the end. And so stay tuned and follow all the things that I'm going to do. In a minute or two we will be done. Okay, so first we will rename this sheet to expiry alert. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to list some products. So we have products, then we have let's say we have the manufacturer's dates. Okay, so we have the manufacturer's date, then we also have expiry dates expiry dates, and then we have the days left for it to expire. Okay, the days left for it to expire like this. So you're basically gonna stretch your columns. Okay, so we have the products. We can basically take this one off or hide it. Okay, now we have our product, we have our manufacturer's date, we have the expiry date and the days left for the product to expire. So we can put status here as to whether it has expired or yet to expire or near expiry. Okay, so we have these columns. So you can basically design it. You can basically design it by giving it a color. Any color that you wish. You can just give it a color. All right, by just selecting any color, for instance this, and then we can merge two cells up here, and give it a notice that, let's say, uh expiry expiry alert. Okay, all right, so now from here you can just give this one to a background color. Since it's an alert, we can just do like this. Okay, so we are going to have our product here, our manufacturer's date, our expiry date, the dates left, and then the status, whether it is expired or not. Okay, so basically we can list product like say Milo, and we are going to use about two or three. We have sugar, and then let's say milk. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to put the manufacturer date. So before you do that, you have to make sure that the column is in a date format. So you just select all these three and then right click, go to format cells, and then make sure that that particular cell is in a date form. Okay, it's in a date form, so you just maintain it as it is. Then we put the date of the manufacturer, let's say 1st of January 20 1st January 2022, and then the expiry date, let's say 1st January 2023. Okay, then we can have the same product, let's say 0101 comma, or sorry, forward slash 2022. Okay, or 2023 to 2024. So 0101 2024. Okay, then this one will be, let's say, 0202 2023, and then 0202 2024. All right, so basically we have our dates format like this. We are going to calculate the days left for the product to expire, and as you can see we have the days left column here. So we can just have all these things under one, um let's say something like this. Okay, now the days left, we're just gonna put this is equals to the manufacturer's date minus that of the expiry date, and we hit on our enter key. Okay, so when we do this, this means that this product has expired 365 days, even in the past. Okay, so all this product has expired.